Good afternoon, country people them. We glad for meet up una for this side for Equinox Tori House. We sabi say they na the last one for November moon. We say with the meet up for this side, so for inside the Equinox Tori House, country people them. Now so say inside PG News debate for this Saturday, we go get plenty thing them for talk inside. We get this palaver for vote. We end this week. Sabi say na for Monday wey people there they get for enter for the two vote them. We they come for the February moon. They put their book them. We go talk that palaver and we go talk to chapter for people them like Professor Maurice Kamto where they be announced say they no go enter for vote for 2020. Sabi say Cabral Libi it will make open eye before week one finish. SDF it don't give conditions say if place in no quiet for Northwest and Southwest them too they no go enter for vote for 2020. We go turn back for inside that palaver. Sabi say the week 2 finish we be get even stranger the way they become for inside we country. The stranger them we get Musa Faki, we get even Ma Luisa Moshikiwabo and even Ma Patricia Scotland. They become for can see as waiting the worker for country and they say they help say make country turn back for the peace way they be don't ever enjoy them. Tori 2 for this afternoon we go see inside palaver for the peace caravan where it is for outside and even this palaver for road for go for slave trade village for inside Bimbia we walk it never so start and we hear say na work where they don't give them since 2017. All this one them if time day we go talk them and we get case them too for people them where they don't lost at way we go bring them for before today we na PG News debate. Country people them inside the Tori House for this afternoon we get time for me we say be there with we time for me. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Ambassador. Good afternoon, televiewers. And we call I'm gonna say we wanna be stable. Then so that we go share this moment with David with this afternoon with this salute, especially the people that they watch this program directly from Gambia.
Okay.
So they will win.
All right, we get even with we pa enongene na person for CDU if I no make mistake we head for CDU for that side for Tombell we did to with we pa enongene. I salute you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ambassador, for inviting me, my brother. And I will talk. You don't invite me. I will talk everything. How would you suffer for that side for Ground Zero? And I will tell you more. I will tell your people them the whole world how we the suffer for make we document them for elections. For Tombell, now only CPDME one don't go. We not get CDU.
Yes, we will go turn back for that one. The small time pal. You say you get plenty vex for your mind. We go turn back for that palaver small time. But just now we go enter for Tori for this afternoon. Country people them inside Tori. It concern a Tori people them so we must to talk till we consign Tori people them and it concern English speaking Tori people them means say Tori people there they write and they do their work now for English Nakamasesh for short where they call them Cameroon English speaking journalists we also the talk just now they then are for inside Douala here for Bonamusa the side now for that side we all Tori people them they don't gather since for morning time also the talk for this side now for this way they so they turn for see as we they go vote them new president where it so it go happen today we sabi say this arrangement where they happen for Douala. Now the first time we Tori people them for English country talk they come for come she down for vote for inside that Douala here as so the talk all the other time them it don't happen for Northwest or it happen for that side so for Southwest but just now for Sika the kind condition where they happen for that side so for inside the Northwest and Southwest now way they so Tori people them all they don't gather now for inside Douala here for vote them new president Viban Jute it then one of the people them we want turn up for this chapter for she done on top chair with Simon Leonga the one levam and even Moki Charles Linonge with them two they the one turn up on top this palaver for vote so I saw the talk just now Tori people them for all corner where they the knack na Queen Elisa country talk they don't gather for inside Douala here now for here we all thing it go pass now for here too they go sabi the new president for Tori people them for English country talk as so na don't sabi Monday we go turn back for that palaver in the proper. So now just what tell we say even Tory people themselves their own association today, but this one now English now one day they did knock in a decide country talk. And Tumfor Barrister Nico Halem now be one of the stranger them for inside there, and we get other people then so they don't come into well. You don't see Tory people them, and we hear say now for Sika to the pass on Northwest and Southwest for Sika say this thing it ever happen now for Northwest or for Southwest, but this time now for Douala.
Yes, Ambassador, you know that way because we know say things they don't work at that side. But we give them support because journalists, now people where they help we forgive we information. And the second thing I say, we sympathize with them too because they torment them very much. They hammock them. We know how a country they hammock them. Every time we hear say they don't catch journalists, lock them. Every time we hear say they don't kill journalists. So we give them courage. Say without them, we even she done some days so we just wake up die on. So we give them courage. Say we will continue to give the information, and we will continue for the organize with ourselves so that the information could be organized and could respect the rules of information too. Not be because it be like say all man now they talk say he be journalist. So I think through these meetings we now go really sensitize with ourselves, then caution some people that they go into excesses.
Yes, thank you. And Usabi said that by Nongene, you don't see Tory people themselves. They don't organize themselves. Now General Assembly in Dongamen, where it go finish now with the vote for new president. You like power, wait till you get them for talk for this Tory people them where they did not country talk now only for Queen Elisa own country talk.
Now for me, I be very happy. Say the total democracy there for them, because we don't know the term of office where they always get. Sometimes that 5 years, and after 5 years you leave them, or after 5 years second round you leave them. Then the one way other people they show up for chairs. And
just for Sabi say the president be she done on top chair Simon Lyonga. He don't deny say no go be again.
Na correct president that, na correct man that, because you don't get for she for chair for long. Way over she again you make error. Now problem that my brother. Now that is the key. All we even for country meeting them for we quartier. Some people they like for she for chair for long, which is not be normal. Okay. She be good say you work for certain period, you leave them. Now that thing they call say retirement. Why people the papa so that don't retire?
Okay.
Yeah, so
all right.
For retire.
Right. Sabi say if we no talk in the way concern Tory people them, no other person no go talk our own Tory. So be fine say make we talk our own Tory first before we enter for other thing them for inside country. We go turn back for that chapter for Monday. But just now we get this palaver for inside country. Sabi say before there be one last give book them for who them they go turn up for vote for different places them. For that side for Yawin them we be get woman them for CPDM from Fundi where them sesep they be provoke, they make waka for vex, they reach now for them big office for that side. So for inside the Yawinde this woman them for CPDM where they come on Fundi, they be the talk say big pacha it dey for on top list where they make them where it get for look at people them from Fundi. According to them, the way they make the list, they don't cut number for woman the way they be don't ever be for the list, and when a number with them say they be don't ever glad or they be don't ever get agreement on top say now the number that for woman the way they must to be for inside any list. But this time the list you know be get respect that commandia for Sika that one woman them for CPDM they be waka today when a Saturday make 1 week exactly where this thing happen for that side. So for inside the Yawinde, and Sabi say apart from this woman them even the youth CPDM side too them say from Fundi them too they be come out from make waka where they talk say them too the number for people there they be get for them on top list where they pass them it don't cut only for Sika say waiting they say big people then they don't put different name then so it be big natty way plenty people them they be provoke on top this palaver. So them say they be make na waka for vex for reach them head office big office for CPDM for that side for Yawinde for cry. But plenty people they don't talk say the woman they be she done near them they be there for corner no force no nothing the woman they be do that in them. Pine ongene it surprise you say a woman them for the party where they look out the country them to the fee vex so they be show them for population for people them for outside.
my brother ambassador, for tell the truth now for sure you say Cameroon waka, because even the ruling party self get problem. Every all party they get problem. Even ruling party too if get problem then you know see the country no waka. Because first of all, if I want to take an example, they don't talk say woman them they get for B for inside list at least 15 women, at least 50 for especially for we will date at 35 councillors. Woman they get for be there about 10. Boy, young people they be there like 10. The man be OPA they be like 15. So it be 35. Which is correct. But then we take OPA them, all they put up, they be 25. They tell you young people 5, you tell women them 5. Then what? Then you are not serious. Then we are not be serious. I think that is kill CPDM too, because CPDM now it don't be in a dying party. I'll be very sorry for making that statement. A dying party, my brother.
Okay, time for me is surprise you for see to happen for Yaoundé. We sabi say first time maybe now other people they vex, they show and bet CPDM woman them from Fundi too. They be show their vex. Say number where they be ever get for before list. They be cutter.
Well, it not surprise me because time when people they tell them say, "Sigwe cash cocoa tomorrow, you cash cacao, you cash coffee." They nobody accept, and I'll be very happy because this thing that thing where other parties they don't cry against, they no one here. If I we don't touch them now, so if I say they touch them, so that they don't effect. And we party talk, they don't. The ruling party don't over depend on old people. So to the extent say it is block even development, block everything. So I'll be happy to say it don't touch them, and I think them too they will feel the pinch small.
Yes.
Then concerning they were not the first time we see, I think another strike we did for Yaoundé where we see how we police the guard people. But whenever if we did for Bamenda or for Southwest, when some people they come down with water. Oh, people they come down with tear gas. They shoot. They don't even ask. Or they don't even try way for control crowd before. We don't see time where MRC be match for it. They don't try for control crowd before maybe it go into excess. So they just show the party very open. They just be very open. Say they discriminate. So all that things I think Cameroonians they see them too, and they know. All man now I it open.
Yes, and just for Sabi say this so we the 25 number 25 day for November moon will be the last day for say make people then say they put their name put their book them for before it be the last day we all man be get for put them. But Sabi say no na all people them they be get that opportunity for put them before we enter for this Tori way SDF then talk. Pa again you been a person for CDU for Pa Ndamundam Joya a party for Tombell. You talk say you like person will be there for Tombell, you know be get chance for say make una do una book them, una find DOD you know the first assistant. So if you tell we small palaba wetin una be go through for inside Tombell before we make una book them.
Since 2007, we will get municipal election. We will not get no problem. All with documents. I used 2 days for make documents. Because we have get person where work at all the villages for pick those my comrades so that's how they get for people inside my list. Then now in 2013, no problem. But in 2019, I tell you, say it was a serious problem. Dio no day, elect man no day, court no day, and all those documents that they give for sign. For 2007, no problem. 2013, no problem. And for Tombell, now 3 parties in the OS contest. You get CPDM, you get CDU, and UNDP. Even UNDP, their candidature too. Now I think for more than 26. Now Dio come before because they still fight them, which is already against the law. I don't know if they don't accept their list, but I'm sure say that list can never be accepted if you get for show, you get for follow law. No. Not be accepted because me too not continue for go meet up Dio for one for Yaoundé day or go meet up state council one for because first of all the first document they get for sign for this municipal election you go for sign your birth certificate and birth certificate all the mayors except Ngasa Rose we know they Tombell and I will be very surprised if they will put up say get resident certificate because you get forget now that other certificate for sure say if the body for Tombell they know they for Tombell. Me that one be clear because if you get the one for resident, that means they get for disqualify because elect can disqualify any small data way you know they inside a document or they for inside a document it is disqualify. Okay. So I think that people they get for no so get for follow the law the election code and if you know if you follow them well it's your problem Because still they said for CPD themselves, where they say they don't send their list, I was surprised who signed. Because we all, for 2007, they've been signed all we all. For 2013, they've been signed all we've been be fine. And all we've been saying we document for the right time. But now, I was surprised how CPD money sending on for the right time where DO no day, court no day, apart from the register of the chief register for court, he day. He signing on site. But now the state council and the magistrates for sign nationality, for sign non-conviction, it's a problem.
Before we continue, you I want to find out from you if you did talk say all the people they know they, but one asks Nasina for seeker the problem where they for northwest and southwest on waiting really cause and where they no be there.
You know, say normally seeing this crisis and be even we say most of the Anglophones they be very happy with the decision where Professor Maurice come to take.
We will come for that assessment.
Very happy because this election. No merit we forgo into it because there will be bloodshed. I'm telling you the truth, there will be bloodshed because people will not accept certain people now. Okay, now for CPM list now the very Gasarus, nobody not like Gasarus for Tombe.
Well, that one you the talk well, you be person.
Now me I did a common for day.
Okay, we go turn.
We go for third mandate. It not be possible.
We will turn back for you. Time for me, you the year to happen. And maybe not just we sabi say for plenty other places some put them so they don't get the same complaint. For that side for Fako, we yes say chiefs and SSF for Limbe, them to the vex for the kind people that they put down for list. But all thing don't say go for up. What you get for talk?
Yes, I get for some. We know the mechanism where them ever put down for now. Now rigging they don't start so. They don't start from registration. For eliminate people and administrators. And here some of their people that were central committee they come for this chain can talk say they were sanctioned due for a day, they were sanctioned due for say okay, that one I talk where they talk because and it not be strange for me. Now ever so did they ever try for manipulate for try for disqualify. But the truth away bad they talk. I know say all this time we not be there for Bush. So I don't know person way even there for put candidate. And secondly, Ambassador don't as you say these people they be there outside. But we know say all them around their offices. That one be very clear, except say you want to hide them. All the mayors them, all the DOs them. How we will be here last time, cannot be sure say they don't install DO for some DO for Boya. Where not DO for so we not get for tell with the truth. The people they know they in office, they know they work. So me we know so no talk say me we know clearly say no man not be there for Tombe. At one time people they be go Bush, now they come back they gradually and how you talk therefore even just try for camouflage for make like they want welcome people then again they provoke the situation how you talk of bloodshed because if they I think the CPDM he on a campaign bill and say me all man register, me all man vote, so that they will present them to the world say the whole world be vote. But now, Babi ready for despite all odds, Babi be ready for deposit the job. But they don't give it now the same CVDM design for signing book, it don't design for sign and so on. So we know if they talk one thing, we do another thing.
All right. With the surprise they sign for who signed their document.
All right. Okay. If we get for Shidon for talk, we will surely finish our time on top that one. We continue for Sabise also for Sika this palaver for votes. We get SDF, First Vice President, Honorable O.C. Joshua, where it too, it be come out inside this week, so they finish the week. Honorable O.C. Joshua, is she done for before, Corner E, all the big people them, and other member them for SDF. Wait till SDF be come out for talk, for their big office on that side for Yawende, now for talk say this palaver for vote, for 2020, it then a vote with normal. Now peace, the one for Mekam, but if peace, it no dey for inside Northwest and Southwest, they're not sure if SDF, it go turn up for this vote where it come for 2020. Now the main talk that strong talk that way Oga FC Joshua it talk for people them as well they be meet up with 30 people them for outside and with the year say some law inside the book where the lookout vote don't talk say so far as way you don't put your name them for inside that list say you no get way for come out. Now this come out will OC Joshua come out plenty people they just talk saying you want follow. They know why she don't quite in a fine in a way SDF use them for say make people they show them sorry had to.
Well, since the last election last year, will be the problem be that say time where SDF be the first time this election SDF first dinner, but it be like they go for the meeting again. They go sit down meeting, and the francophones them. They talk say if they only sympathize na side for Anglophone, that means they choose SDF na Anglophone party. So they say okay. Now since they na democracy as we talk, but I think when they will accept say they want go for election, they will take say at least if one no stop them, at least some peace measure, because after the dialogue, all my check say something will be happen and things will come. But it shows say things that the worst na for was how we parent talk. The people where they there for fear, they know they do things where it shows say the one piece. They even the insect provoke people now. Imagine this situation where they deny you don't accept for go. This person you for deny because you take a risk. Because when we see the people for ground zero, how we probably talk, they remove their own book, say any man will go for election, he had to go. Okay, they don't take that risk for go. Well, now for even sympathize with them, accept them, they don't go. So this talk where SDF they talk, me and the Zima all be like they down at that bafia down. They go for front, come for back, go for front. I beg me if they want stand, me they stand. If they don't want stand, me they don't say they don't want stand. Because I'm not sure say they don't say if peace will be before February.
Yes, and for 1 foot, 2 years, 1 foot inside, 1 foot for outside. You, as Abisi, you to be one opposition party person, yes, but this one, the key, we sabi like the key opposition party for country. When you hear what you see Joshua talk, like a politician too, what do you get for talk?
Normally, he get that right. He talk fine. He not talk no bad. He get the right now for talk say, make election. He withdraw. He get the right for talk now. Say me he withdraw because as per the electoral code, when they don't print a ballot now for they don't end. At this moment, any person who don't register, they feedback your money. We just need to go again. They feedback your money back. But immediately they don't print a ballot papers, and for they now you no fit again. So he get right now. If any person we no one go like Kabali, way to no one go, they get right. They fit collect their money back as per electoral code.
Okay, so we will talk Cabral Libi, then we will talk Professor Maurice Kamto too. Sabi say it will be come out inside the week. Cabral Libi, it will be come out before SDF. The same day we Cabral Libi come out for evening time, now we SDF to be come out. And Sabi say Cabral Libi to be meet up with Tory people then for outside and he own blame and he own vex. He be dead direct now for people them where they look out vote for inside we country Elekam and where Cabral Libi he dey talk now say make Elekam people them add number for them where people they get for make their book them for pass am. If no be so, them too for your own party they not sure whether they go enter for votes for 2020. If he no talk any other thing, he problem na say time he be day too short for say make people them make them book them. So he own blame he dey na for the house where they look out votes Elekam. You dey okay? We talk with Cabral Libi talk.
Okay, me and they normally first of all talk is they say the people that they sign those documents they no been be. For my own side, now only the council, the deputy mayors them that they be sign my own. For go now for the second document which is nationality when a president of court gave a sign. He is not there. So I just break my own there. And I tell my national bureau very well say this, so it be impossible for me for make council list because those people are not in place. They inform me, say man make the one for parliament. Say parliament will be easier. I get for go right from Guti. For reach from Guti, I tell you I meet up 3 battalion for those guys. Will not be easy for me for pass for that side. They make me suffer. This election don't make me suffer. I suffer. I lost my life. I go from Guti now. For they to the mayor from Guti is in Akumba. All the mayors, all are in Kumba. The whole place is locked. Secondly, again, for the court, there was nothing. Even my candidate for parliamentary, this thing, I will carry documents. I want to go back again. For that way, the woman just tell me, say, Papa, just leave that thing. No blow your head. No blow your head. No spend over money. Because to go to Guti from Tombe, you go for pass na through Douala. Through Douala to Kumba. You go Nanguti. You spend roughly 20 times for a day to and from.
Okay. Cabral
We are suffering.
Cabral Libi too, they make open eye for people that they look up vote. Say make the add day so that if you make book them, if not be so, them too they no go surely day.
Yes, they are the things that the mistake be from the beginning, because time when they be postpone elections, I think they don't postpone them 2 times. They will postpone election, they will also they don't postpone to this date, so that all man got to prepare. But it be like how I be talking now, another mechanism for make say make people they know overcompete and so on. But when we talk all these things, we come back for one thing. If we be accept say things they don't work out, fine. She don't down, fix the electoral law. Me it be like a law where it be accepted for a modern democracy. I think all these things we will talk enough of it. Demand what does it go? Demand what does it not go? Demand does it go? Just because all these things where we talk so, the weakness they clear and it will deliver. Because why would they accept for go election now? They talk about electoral code. But when last year we used to state electoral code and we be say no be worker.
And just one of the things them that we Professor Maurice Kamto, we to be the first person we be come out early for inside the week. He be talk for country people them for that side, or he party people them they be there too for a corner where he be the talk with the Tory people them for inside Yawen them say CRM party when a Cameroon Renaissance Movement party them too they no go enter for this vote according to the reason they will begin. Is a one, is a peace. He never turn back for Northwest and Southwest. And number 2 thing, he try for talk say they be make over open eye them for his own people that they be get for sign that book, and he try for talk say he dey so he be don't cry time we vote for Nkunkuma become say make elekam when they look up vote make they try for change some law them, but for so small sorry heart say they no so change them. Now some of the reason in that way Professor Maurice come to Igiam, then he talk say no go enter for vote plenty. They talk say then a big mistake we Professor Maurice come to be make for talk say no go turn out for vote for 2020. By
Yes,
Professor Maurice Kamto and he come out in, he be each for talk something, but no talks more for Professor Maurice Kamto in own case.
Professor Maurice Kamto, may God bless you. May God bless you, because you don't foresee. You don't foresee. See, this thing is Mark Starrett. If what they want bring them for up now, you know, worker. Because even for CPDM, say problem day. They if it's problem, they say CPDM. If I go money, I go be enough for opposition party now. It go worse. So Maurice come to the fear bloodshed. I'm telling you the truth, the fear that bloodshed. Because if the election worker on the 9th of February, I tell you that people that will die again, hundreds of people that will die for Northwest and Southwest region. I'm telling you the truth. Because many people know accept, save the thief their vote. And many people know like for going inside in their lands, for go vote. And plenty people, they would lost their life. So Maurice come to for you, may God bless you. I'm telling you the truth.
So for you know, say like saying losses. Some people they talk say the TWA talk. You know, fine, say na party name we don't it already start for loss. Say party name go loss. Say after we don't come up with the age we cut us, you know, say it don't make a party name don't loss. So you know see that aspect. You say like saying a correct with one.
Yeah, talk say may God bless you. Okay. Because many people they get for understand. Say if you are one finger the hot, now the whole hand the hot. Cameroon will get 20. More talk say that 20%, 2 regions for a whole 10 region where they is sick. All people don't be out of for their places. They will vote now who, and 3/4 of the people don't live safe. So that are CPDM people themselves. Who would they will vote that CPDM now? Now for Maurice comes to he say helper. He say me they change him because he is doing that man be like say God already put that man for liberate this Cameroon.
He like prophet.
He's a prophet because all the Anglophones now they instead feel fine now Maurice come to than any other person. I'm telling you the truth.
Okay.
Although I'm a political leader, but I'm taking it wholeheartedly that the man is seeing the future, the future for this Cameroon.
All right.
Because he take his brother for Southwest and Northwest like one of the best people. We no fit do anything without those people.
You know be supporter for CRM party.
Yeah, no.
Person for CDU.
Yes.
Time for me.
Yes, I think you don't test them. If we feel remember down memory lane, we know say time for 1992 where from the beginning election, the next thing we been as say they put a state of emergency for Manuna. Say we man no come up. We be the same line. This one way come to whether they be see force, it come powerfully, they take it knock out for prison. So it shows say at any time when you want show head for inside water, so they look way, they will knock you fine. You go down. So now the mechanism where the power in place, they use them for any man where one be like say one show power. So that one, that's why they look my own. So whether I come to on ideology or but it be like the CPDM to be to work very hard for destabilize the party because they leave they don't take all the big wigs for the party, lock them for prison, for make sure say me something don't be. Now they just released them a few days ago they announced election so that you go be well prepared for go the election. So I think now another mechanism where they will use them, and I think it'd be wise because we don't know the next thing will happen again.
Yes, and governor them for all the 10 region them they be meet up for inside Yaoundé this week will just finish Monday, so they Tuesday, and one of the things them says will be there inside that Tori with grab the big man Gratango, Ebide Gratango be give them direct command here. Say me they work with this the house where the local vote them for we country Elekam as we vote Idikam and also to Gratango he don't talk say any person where they look at any party where he want over make open eye for country, make it sabi say country too, he get power where he go take them for use them for on top them. So he don't beg, say make all political party people them too. They try for respect, commander for country and do thing them according to where they come. And as we will talk, they say make it the help, make all governor them, they be for corner people them where they look at the vote them, elekam when elections Cameroon. Another part where they be talk inside in Dongamen for governor them. And the Gratango, it be then at this palaver for urban disorder for inside with different country, whether not for northwest side, when at this palaver for northwest side, it is also continue for pass. And the place like Yaoundé, we one time them Okada people then say they vex, come up for outside, they say me they look all inside that palaver. Now, one of the strong thing where they put on for before, now for say make political party themselves, they stand up fine, may they no go above the, may they no duty with law, he never talk, and palaver for security as we hear they can end.
Yes, some man be talk say they don't call them for Yaoundé for tell them how they go manipulate the elections because the election they vote on the 9th and on the 10th and 11th, it be like 10, 11, 12, the public holidays. So when he ask when these people the way they feel that they represent the government for the regions, they don't really do the work way they get for them. This thing, if not be say that they want a kind of a lobby, why they don't call anyone will be involved for the elections? Now Elekam day, governors the day, Dio the day, my party of mayors the day, all then they fight now for government. Then now who they fight for opposition? So me and the Zima on say all this one now for give them powers for make sure that they push down the opposition leaders. Yes. Because the call meeting for election not be only CPDM governors, all those governors are CPDM governors. So me I don't see me any right thing.
Why not what you get for talk for this Dongamen with Governor and Gratango this week?
No, that talk we don't first talk here. We don't first talk say those that what he talk am now. You not talk for the 8 governors so. It only for 2 governors. You get for understand if you would really follow he talk. If you follow like 2 governors, northwest and southwest governors. Now they get that problem. The other one they don't get no problem. Now for the problem go be we don't finish talk already. Say if the election be, block share go be. So if they talk for governor, say, me security, it take me they put security, hot security for opposition, we want make nonsense. As you want make nonsense, wanted the quiz should put them down. I always think that. Because for literary year, for now and day when I hear, I know get no problem. For that side, there for Yaoundé, there will no problem no be. The problem will be now for northwest and southwest, and now for them more than people that will come out.
Well, we need the prayer. We need the prayer.
No, me the election. No, they just me they postpone the election. Yeah. And when the Kabali be talk, I want to add something for that. Way Kabali, that much more picking talk. The man made a good statement. Say me the tribe saying them before because now they don't come back. Oh, those people they come back. They don't come back. So me they give we this week where they come so. Again, we try compile the documents them.
So that they go sign.
So them they sign them because now the day where they fit sign.
Okay.
So where the Kabali be, they talk, I support it.
All right, and we go change chapter for votes small. We enter, so remain for inside the Palava country, the Getam. Sabi say week will just finish. We get 3 big people them from 3 different organizations there. They enter for we country. We get Musa Faki Mahamat, we been a person for African Union. He be the first person who na see him. Prime Minister Chief Dr. Joseph John Guteno Bigueres, who be get Ma Louise, where he been a person for La Francophonie, and even Ma Patricia Scotland, where he be person for Commonwealth. All the 3 big people them, they enter country. They say their main worker, it be dena for come see, as well they go elem governor for say me they make peace inside we country. But Sabi say before them come out, after we they come out for 3 days where they work for we country, they try for talk as well they congratulate governor for the national man-to-man talk where they happen. They talk say main governor try for make thing the way national man-to-man talk. It be talk say make it day, palava for special status for Northwest and Southwest, decentralization, and even chapter for say make the look make people them for inside Cameroon they should done like one way person you know go look another person for talk say you know be my brother as well they come up for country too they don't talk say main governor make am say make peace a day Northwest and Southwest so that votes where they don't plan say get for pass it go pass way no nothing it no go happen now they work at that way these 3 big people them they can make them for inside country this week we just finish the 3 people them from African Union La Francophonie and Commonwealth. Sabi say as well they be there for inside country, we be get minister for inside external relation, he been a minister delegate. Oga Felix Mbayu, we SSF, he be there for outside country people them. We enter for this other Tory for that side. So for Yawende, we also remain for under diplomacy. Then we will turn back for talk out in Felix Mbayu, Minister Felix Mbayu for inside the ministry for external relation. He says be there for outside country. He be go make work for side for Donald Trump the country. He meet up with United Nations Secretary General and even Tibonage. And with Tibonage, they try for talk plenty in them. Palava for the Northwest and Southwest. Palava two way Donald Trump the country one come out Cameroon name for AGOA for 2020 January moon. Now some of the things them that way they discuss according to Congo we enter for we hear, but we hear say they don't give condition for country if they don't want their name for come out for inside AGOA list for 2020. So now just some of the things then that for diplomacy where it will pass inside we country this week where we just finish and you don't see that 3 change the way they enter for country. They say they want can help country for say make peace it turn back for country. Musa Faki Mahamat for African Union, we get even Ma Louise for La Francophonie and Ma Patricia Scotland for Commonwealth we all then come and Waka for Minister Felix Mbayu for outside country too for try for Beck and for talk with the Donald Trump people them palava for this AGOA.
Okay, thank you, Ambassador. Really, these high-ranking personalities where they can Cameroon here, they can have because they're sorry we will die in thousands. They're sorry we the Anglophones where they don't marginalize them. They take a dirty, thwarted people where they not get no power, nothing, nothing talk. But God, He want for it back. For make me they come. For make me. Papa Paul, you understand, say at least man, human body, person like we so, no man not feel great person. Now God the create we all. And for make all Cameroonians, especially the citizen people, they always condemn. Say people they inside people, they are a sovereign country, their problem. Say they don't get nothing for learn from Europeans, not get nothing from learn from Americans. That statement, they always make people that they vex. It makes like say the Anglophones, they don't be people for this world. They do not get blood, like as Francophones, they get blood. So we thank God as those 3 important personalities, the most important personalities in the world. They come for Cameroon here. Now for teach my brother, them for CPDM them, where they always condemn people, they interfere. Now, now CPM now teach one lesson. They want to teach them lessons. Say, no always make statements say they interfere for sovereign state. A sovereign state, they not get to go interfere into them. So they want to go teach them lesson.
And Sabi say they don't sign book. They don't sign book with Cameroon, different law them.
Thank you. And I be very happy now say they don't come, and I be sure say perhaps peace will come, because if this type of 3 important personalities in the world, they will come before we not change. Me say even a God saving come for before, so we no change.
Okay.
Then now for the other journey when my people they go for America, and I forgot back no. No, I forgot back. It don't bad. You know, see when they play with people when they pass through. I think for the other people they get some pineapple, they talk say put your back for the place where your hand feel reach if you take them. Put your coat for the place if you take if you carry if you move away one way your coat you move up. No put your coat for the place you know feel your hand will reach. This one they teach we now say we dey go astray, and not just one word do not talk them. Only one word, you don't make all Cameroon all man don't shake. Even Pobia too don't shake for a chair. So they don't get for make we understand say Papa Paul must change. We dey only beg because I get a knife and he get that yam. If he make him thing move, if he make him thing no move, and as he get the yam and the knife, I beg. Me no say Anglophone problem. We don't deny for more than 100 years say no exist. Me know I'm saying me exist now. I mean do that is special status. Me it be in the line of federalism. That will be they will be very happy.
Okay, time for me. You go talk sumoto on top this palava. This show like say the time it the run it the levy for back. Time for me. So you talk.
Yes, I go add only 2 things up to my parent talk. My own opinion. I say these people that when they come, they remain for Yaoundé. And they remain, and they talk only with government. They don't talk with civil society.
No, they be talk. That one are correct. They be talk with people them too. Like civil society. They be talk with Professor Maurice Kamto. They be talk with Akere Muna. They be talk with plenty people. Them.
Yes, if they be talk with them, I hope say. And we also talk say they only go to field.
Yeah, the only complaint be that. They only complain that
they never go for field.
They never go for field.
Yeah, they never go for field. And when they start. Because maybe in a diplomacy you talk to, because when they start to congratulate government about the national dialogue, where we will not yet get even one fruit of the national dialogue, it be like say that they come out with some solve for injury again. So with the talk say whatever it be, how we parent talk, they get consent for we, and we hope say one day a solution could be.
Now you get that worker for minister, Felix Mbaritu for outside. You know, be go one, it be go other big member there from Gomna. Waiting so much you get for talk for that one.
No, I don't really talk. No, say not true. Say because when they should when man come for television, you should don't talk. Say America now who Cameroon is sovereign state and so on, and you go for back again, go try for the back. So I think say I just share the opinion for Pase. Then too, Cameroon not be in the war alone. I think that way Cameroon be under United Nations, under Francophonie, under Common, under these big organizations. And when you do things, they don't sign some
treaties.
Yes, with them where they get for the work in line with those people. That when you talk, say you be alone an island, they come in all human rights abuse way with the CM. So and when they talk, you talk say they interfere in internal affairs. I think.
All right. After national man-to-man talk, Sabi say the different group them for peace caravan them, where they be send them for inside different area them. Then Sesep, they don't already start for finish them work. This afternoon go take una go for inside them Bengui. For that side, now Honorable Enwi Francis, where Sesep be enter for that side from Bengui. Sabi say now for night, we repe be enter for park for that side so from Bengui for try for see as we go talk with the population there for inside Bengui. Sabi say pa for inside this arrangement he enter from Bengui now for talk for population them and for talk for them wait this so national man-to-man talk it be happen even as we some place them chair they be fair empty but after population come pa Emmy Francis Honorable it be meet up someone them for inside Chahouse them for meet up them talk say na so we be talk for Yaoundé and na so thing we governor he don't promise or one do am he no enter now only for bar place them he be reach to for inside market for talk for Mami there they make binet for market for say this so ngom now he get all them for their mind and he own prayer now for say make peace, make peace, he turn back for place where they call him same Bengui. But plenty of this Mami there they be talk with the honorable, they talk for his first time when he be the enter Bengui be the enter with the uniform people them, amok moto, all that one them, but he don't count with all that one them, we miss go come out, he goes also leave them where they so all two they one time now for say me they talk with the people there they sabi say they fit talk with them so that make peace he enter for inside that place where they call him say Bengui. We go take una to go for that side. So for Ndian side, na Honorable Marie Meboka, we itu be dey outside country people them for Ndian division. Honorable Marie Meboka, he says be day and he be meet up now with the Okada people them for a road for Ndian. Sabi say mami to be don't take, we no be don't enter your own place and he enter, he no meet up the population. We be ever so meet up one of the big things they say where they talk. Na palava say make peace, he turn back. And Honorable Marie Meboka, he don't talk to say make these few Okada people them where they become meet up, he try for where they say they want to say make peace, he turn back, may they take the same talk, go meet up their friend them where they for inside bush time, he don't reach where they want to say make peace, he turn back for inside their country as where they make their peace caravan for different side them. Other one them, we go surely bring them for now. For Monday, plenty people them, they don't check say this peace caravan now another way for spend the small money we will define them. Some they talk say the one over the thing they be get for do them, but some they don't are really glad say na good thing say people them for village they no be get tele one day they no be get radio them too they don't fit for sabiti will be happen for national man to man talk.
If man tell you say some man be there way the problem be it be very clear. The thing where people they be all man that way they be talk about national dialogue. All man the ears be open and people they will raise a lot of hope say this man to man talk it will give we some solution. They go for they don't give nothing. If they will give some favorable solution that night even to the remotest place for command for here because information will go easily now. Me they know alright now I be hear some man they talk for this channel say they don't born picking people they talk say they don't instead put winner for more confusion. They don't just put special status for in a globally so special status and so then even some well wishers they try for right the kind of special status how it could be.
Yeah, but if I know one cut it down for me according to it Professor Fru Angwafo he talk for we say that special status they never yet submit with the inside saying that the people themselves they get for talk with you the one time inside that special status. If I don't make mistake and according to it Professor Fru Angwafo be talking so no na ngom na get for do am but na the people themselves they for talk then waiting when they get for being inside.
Reason nobody for that talk and reason nobody for this worker because this worker now therefore make sure say me that special status come out first. Me they explain for people that say now so the special status mean because it still be for is it be for Bele it still be for Bele yes it still be for Bele now you explain now waiting say they will give una special status that special status could be how. And the most important thing that we have for the explain. Not for tell people say when I will get special status. That special status then how and we know what way this government be because we be the after we will wait seriously. Say me they define the special status they announce election now for divert attention. No we forget about special status now. They think about election.
Yes, yeah. all this one my brother, all the one are for just for taxpayers their money. Well money will they pay now just for all this one are only for spoil for spend taxpayers' money for nothing, because we will pay the tax will they pay. Other that okay they will go back now with they will go back now with which answer, which conclusion. They will go tell the prime minister now.
Say the population be talk.
They go talk for prime minister
like for a Kondo Titi for instance for a Kondo Titi for instance they be talk palava for road palava for
ambassador excuse me ambassador wait you never don't wait the prime minister no. Prime Minister don't first work for Northwest and Southwest. They give you the very story. The very thing where they go with this very caravan, not only for sport, the taxpayer their money. No, then the Prime Minister don't get right. Because if the special status never come out, the people they go take with it for we. They come for Tombo for Wednesday, no. They come for Tombo for Wednesday where they talk. Nothing can convince nobody. We man, look at my man, tell say, you know, if I say man is sick belly, We are buried hot you, they go give you a medicine for fever. We are buried hot you, they go give you medicine for fever. How you go manage treat your belly? Instead bring you more sick. So what we will get for do say with the sick, the real sick be say we need say me Papa Paul. We say for Yaoundé day. Me no say southwest, northwest they suffer up to now. Me know am again. And I get the yam and I get the knife. Me try for solve we problem. Me make we people then come back. Me all those people then they bush me they come back. Now I get for talk.
Okay.
Now that small point they will still there for bush. They will come back if now he talk. Now all that. And now the only thing that would want say me hold a knife fine and me hold yam fine. And for do all this one, he gave for liberate all the Anglophones that were in the prison. Now the last talk that gave for talk.
All right, and we'll go close that chapter so as we don't talk by non gene. Last thing, the last my time don't finish, but last thing we'll go talk. It concern at this road where they go for historical place where they call them say Bimbia. Now village, slave trade village where plenty people them and even white man them they go ever like for come for Limbe. They go for that side where they call them say Bimbia. Bet roads where they give them since 2017. We hear say the contract they give them now for Yaoundé and it concerns some person where it will be don't need down for beg for peace for inside we country and the talk say since where they get the road for 2017 so now walked in them they never see them as we tori enter for we ears so it make concept now when a dry season people them they not even fit come wakam reach for slave trade village where it dey for that side so for inside place where they call them say Bimbia so population too for Bimbia they beg na beg say they so make the person where they give the work make it turn up fine, make it come for fix them. They don't already start for put this palaver for vote where they come to for inside. They don't make open eye. Say if they no can fix the roads before that time for vote, it is show to say person where the party where he get this council just now, them too they go surely lost the council for say plenty of the people them for inside Bimbia too. They don't lose hope for the party for Sika palaver say promise. They know they ever fulfill promise. They know they come back for gun duty where they don't promise say they go do the roads where they enter for slave state village they don't chakara and council to the hear bad for Sika say stranger the way they ever is or come for slave trade village where they even pay money just now no man they come again for Sika say roads they at all for enter for that village fine again last talk on top the palaver another big problem where people them for Bimbia for Limbe 32 they cry palaver for roads no be na seen a road where they go for inside some money private house but a road where they go for side where they don't talk in a International Heritage Center. It means in a place where government says I be say it something we no man no get for play with that.
Ambassador, a year again, be less a year I'm true on a media saying some we brought ourselves for Baminda get that contract. How we brought ourselves again? We not get for Francophone, they get for Anglophone system again. They didn't know if he can do that work. They say for a year I'm talking for on a program. They say we get for start that work for September. If I'm not mistaken, I bet. So that if make mistake. They say he not come for September. For October he come, he put one caterpillar. Now they begin glad.
Now after 3 hours talk where one caterpillar come, then two caterpillar come again. But we never sabi where that work those.
And how we brother say if he treat it, we say so. Now that you see himself, first time now we brother say the begin us Anglophone problem no day. Now then say self, the begin talk again, say Anglophone problem no day. We Anglophone with the key with skin. Now we say with the key with skin. We don't with the talk yesterday say Bia this so Bia is a very good man. Now we say they will kill with skin. Because if you talk, they do work for international slave trade, play with Papa them, they be carry and go for America. Play with any white man, they carry one Sam. Where they give small money for council. They give for you back, you man again for Southwest or Northwest man. Yes, and Northwest. They came for you, no if you can't do them for Southwest. Let me say, you know, like Southwest now. Let me say, there's a problem between you two now.
No one starts another problem with that side.
Me can do them, I beg. Me can do them.
Time for me, we'll talk quick. Our time don't already finish.
Yes, Ambassador, I think if we remember, I think we start this crisis, it be because people there for Bamenda become a match, say they don't get road. You were there for Bamenda, you don't get road. You know they cry. And this power, we talk about decentralization, you know, local government and so on. You know, they cry for come fix your own road. You go take contract na right for Bimbia. I think say that one when you talk say Bobby and
you know if you do am.
So me I know they get na a mafia group me we just
after they could accuse Bobby.
So he no get road. I mean that roads be completely bad. When you go in there for fight contract for take route for your own town for Bamenda. See whether you make even a 1 kilometer road. I think the Coffin Revolution, their problem be that say town not over Chakara. That you instead go take road now for play way. You know say if you no do that road, no man knows.
If you take the contract for Bamenda, go do am.
We don't hear say some contract the way they finish they show on a picture say I don't really execute this school. They unfortunate. So now they think that way maybe Turia don't because you know for sometimes the books for your own they show say that would be already job done.
All right, we don't finish for this afternoon. We get different KZM for people there that don't lose. We go start with this Pekin where they call them say Helen. Now the Pekin name that way they lost for that side for Yawinde. We here say come out for house for number 19 day for November moon for that kind for he come out for go buy Gary. So here he go turn it back again for house. They say this Pekin he gets 17 years. So just now in Mami where they call him Elizabeth. The back any person we don't see a Pekin Ellen Boroba say make it try for call the number them for before tele 680-792 666-772 or 372-328 and 681-998-61. Now the number them that way if you call them, if you see that Pekin where they call them Ellen Boroba. We get this other Mami too where he don't lost. They calling a Mami photo ne Simo Jean. They talk say come out for house for loom for number 17 day for October moon, and since he come out he never know family person, he never hear about it again. So the family the beg any person where he don't see this their Mami say make it try for call the number them 677-141-217-697-226-697-212-301. They say plenty dash the wait you. We get this other one where in name na Pong Tracy Cecile Divia. Pong Tracy Cecile Divia. This Pekin he get na 9 years as we they announce for we before he talk for him. Pekin he get 9 years. Pong Tracy Cecile he get na 9 years as we this year. And they talk say this Pekin he be come off for their house, and they talk say he be want go sell nothing them for toilet be want go sell, but only for them for wait for house. So to them they never see that Pekin. So Mami Ami Edwidge he beg any person where he don't see this Pekin say the number them for before tele 695-114-896-690-944-162. You fit call them or you bring it for Equinox Story House. They say plenty dash it wait you. We get last case where they for before this one in name na Ngong Pet Maslin. He get na 14 years, and the talk say the talk na only for Queen Elisa I country talk, and the pigeon where Mrs. Sepadina come for this side. They say come on for Norwest, and they stay for Douala here for Pepanda for Tapi Rouge. The talk say come on for the house since for Tuesday 5 o'clock for evening time, and he never turn back for house as so the talk just now. So family too, it beg any person who don't see this Gondere 677-327-939 671-508-164 676-309-475. Now number than that where you go call for say make you fit help the family where it define their Pekin. Now the case them that for loss we'll get them for week before. Today we no go over salute again, we no go talk. But I'm gonna thank you plenty for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you too. Time for me. Thank you too plenty.
Thank you, Ambassador.
All right.
We don't salute even one person.
We don't already finish. Yes. We will salute any man with Sabio now. We don't send salute for them. Well,
I salute all more people.
Thank you plenty. We get Francis Boyom, we get Innocent Abega, Malis, and even Nadine, where the help cemetery waka fine. Rebroadcast will happen for Sunday sometime. Me, I go turn back for Monday for sometime when I hold am tight for outside.